Okay, so today we're removing the right rear door from a 2015 Nissan Versa. This is a how-to video. There's not much out on these Versas, being as new as they are, I guess. And I'm getting requests for it. So, first step will be the tools you need. I'm using a flathead, 10mm 3/8 drive socket, 12mm swivel socket, short extension 3/8 drive, 12mm ratchet wrench, and of course my battery powered impact. Makes stuff a little easier for I'm on a time basis. First thing we're going to do is pull your seat all the way forward, recline it all the way forward, because if that you have to remove this trim panel. So we'll remove this panel right here. It just pops right up. Put your fingers right there underneath the edge, kind of pull up on the ends real easily. Should look like this after you have it off. Then we'll come back, open the door, and we got this panel right here. Do the same thing. It doesn't have to really come up all the way, just enough to get out of the way so that this is exposed on both sides. And then we'll pull this little seal right here, pull it off just a little bit, just get past this point. And that's going to be done on both sides as well. Put that forward so we can get that panel off. So we'll go ahead and get it off both sides. Now we're down to the panel. You can grab it at the bottom as well. Pull right off on the side. Kind of pry it a little bit. Usually I use a flathead. Sometimes it comes off by hand. In this case, I'm using a flathead. You can see down in there, you got a little clip right here. It's one of the clips. The closer you are to them, the better, so that you don't break them off. You got another one right there, as you can see. Boom. Just kind of go up until it pops out like that. Go to the other side. You can do the same thing. Another clip down at the bottom. Just pry out. About midways, pry. Just kind of work your way up. Then it'll come off just like so. Then you can just pull it out the way. Set it off to the side. The reason for this panel having to come off is if you're removing hinges. If you're not removing hinges, you don't have to do that step. My job, I'm sending this to a body shop. They need hinges. So, to get the top hinge off, 2 bolts are on the inside. 12mm. The other 2 bolts are on the outside. Whenever you open the door, we'll get to them in a minute. First step, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this door catch. It's a 10mm. Remember, always set your bolts off to the side. I don't have to keep bolts, so I just throw them on the floorboard or wherever they go. Next step, disconnecting the wiring harness. It unplugs. It's just a rubber boot. Gently pry it out so you don't tear it. And just pull it on out. This is your plug. Turn it around. Got a little button right there. You'll push that. Comes right on out. I have to use both hands real quick, so let's set this camera. There y'all can hopefully see it. Just go push down on the button and fire away. Oops, sorry. Comes right out just like that. Sorry about that. Alright, so now we're going to switch up. I'm going to go to my swivel socket. I'm going to shut the door. You got to shut it easy. Make sure your plug's out the way so you don't break it. You can kind of put this panel back on place so that the door's shut. I shut the door so that when I unbolt the hinges, it won't fall off. So I'm gonna come from the front. Move the seat belt out the way. I'm gonna get these two 12mm bolts first. Do not drop them down there like that. Keep them. For some fact you have to reach down by the seat belt or whatever. Sometimes take the seat belt out to get it. Now we'll come last two bolts. Swivel sockets work great. So we have this hinge right here, unbolted from the inside. This hinge down here unbolts from the outside. We have our plug unplugged. Our door catch is undone. When you open the door, it will hinge out a little bit. Make sure to grab it. Have a hold of it good because it will come off. To get the door to come off, sometimes the paint holds. So you just kind of rock it up and down a little bit just to get that paint to break loose from the hinges to the B pillar, center pillar. And your door's off. Thanks for watching this video. I have more videos coming in the future, and I already have some uploaded now. I also do gaming on the same channel. Please make sure to subscribe. If this video was helpful, leave a comment and leave a like. Thank you.